Well, hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday, where every Wednesday we learn about tips with Google Workspace. Now, this week we're going to learn about a very functional and useful tip about how you can link your text to a website inside of Google Docs. Now, in the world of continuous improvement, we have a common practice that where a question might be, the answer should also be there too. And so one way we can do that is you'll see behind me here on handouts on our new poll systems course that's coming up, you see these links. And let's just make this a little bit bigger here by fitting it to screen. And so each of these links that you see here link back to Lean Strategies International, so that if somebody has a question of what is a Kanban, they can click on that link and it'll take them to the definition of a Kanban and more tips on Lean Strategies International LLC. And so how do we do that? And we're looking through this right here. You can see that there are a few terms that aren't linked there. So we'll use this inventory text right here as an example. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to find the word or the link that we want. And you can see we had inventory linked right here later in the document. And so that takes us to the term inventory. Now, if we go back and we find the term or the text that's not linked inside of our Google Doc, we first need to highlight it. And now that it's highlighted, we can link this text a few different ways. The first way that I use most often is Command K, and you'll see that'll pull up this box right here. Now we can go over here and grab our link, and we'll copy it and go back to our Google Doc. We'll just paste it right in there, click on Apply, and now our link is active, and anybody can have that linked. And keep in mind that if you download your Google Doc in a PDF format or other formats, that link will still be there. So now if somebody says, what is inventory? Well, they can click on this hyperlink right here and it'll take them right to the website and they can read more about inventory on there. Now there's a couple of different ways that we can link also. So let's go ahead and break this link by clicking on our link, and then we'll click on this little option to remove link right here. Let's re-highlight it. And then instead of Command K, we're going to go up to our bar right here, and you can see that we can insert a link, and that'll pop it up right there. We'll go back to our website, grab the URL, come back over here, and paste it right in and hit apply. And one other way that we can show you is we'll break this link real quick, highlight it, and we'll go up to our Insert tab up here, and we scroll down to link, and then the same thing. We're just going to paste our link in there and apply it. So that's how you can hyperlink text inside of a Google document. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. If this was helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips using Google Workspace. And also, we frequently post supply chain and operations material. We'll see you next time right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.